Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Oh, hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a orange shrimp dish with zucchini and tomatoes. Previously, I posted a video on how to cook a teriyaki shrimp dish with tomato and onions. And this onion shrimp dish is based on the same template with a change in the type of sauce as well as some modifications of some of the ingredients. Otherwise, the two dishes are cooked essentially the same way. I want to use these two examples to demonstrate both the application as well as the advantage of template-based cooking in creating variations. And with my fast cooking system, that with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir-frying, and template-based cooking, it is possible for you to create many different variations based on a simple template. The first variation that I make in this dish is the addition of ginger. My wife loves ginger. It was surprising to me today when I was shopping at Aldi. I found some ginger. I do not cook with ginger often because I could not find them in most supermarkets readily. So to give the dish a strong ginger flavor, I slice up the ginger and then I saute them. Next, I add the zucchini to the wok. A lot of time when you cook, you use whatever ingredients that might be available to you, and for me, zucchini is right there in my advanced prepping. I decided that the mild flavor of the zucchini would make a nice contrast with the ginger. Although I've never tried this combination before, but I was quite confident that it's going to work out well. And next, I'm going to add the shrimp to the wok. Now, I coat the shrimp with a thin layer of cornstarch, a process frequently known as velveting. This will give the shrimp a smooth texture. In the past, you probably noticed that I have pan-fried the shrimp instead. I like both of these methods, but they give a different texture to the shrimp. By alternating between these two methods of cooking the shrimp, it gave me some variations. I would like to add a few more vegetables to the dish, so I look in the refrigerator and I found some finely sliced carrot. My friend Joanne told me that she loves advanced prepping because through advanced prepping, it makes her cooking more creative because she can pick and choose what is available to them in the refrigerator. Joanne has said to me many times, advanced prepping to her is like putting money in the bank, and she can withdraw it anytime she wants. From the ingredient standpoint, this dish is quite complex because it has 4 different kinds of ingredients in it. However, if you have all the ingredients available at your fingertips, cooking this dish could not be simpler. So at this point, I'm still looking for some other vegetable to add to this dish, and I found some cherry tomatoes. Another shrimp and everything else is almost cooked. I add the cherry tomato at the end because I do not want to cook the cherry tomatoes much at all. This will give the dish a sense of freshness. Joanne also told me that she loved this type of cooking approach because she feels that she is very creative. She's able to make adjustments basically on the fly depending on what she feels like to have as well as what she has available to her. Joanne also mentioned to me that she feels when she cooks like this, there is a sense of spontaneity, and she is feeling that the intuition kind of guide her along the process. To season this dish, I'm going to use a pre-made orange sauce from Panda Express. I found this orange sauce at Sam's Club recently, and I was eager to give it a try. I have already used this orange sauce to make some orange chicken as well as orange pork, and they both turn out quite well. And my friend Claudia loved the flavor of the orange chicken from the Panda Express, but she also loves shrimp. And I would like to try this out and let her know how it turned out. And lastly, I garnished the dish with some scallions. This dish is very fast to cook, and the total cook time is a little bit over 4 minutes. So what is the verdict? The dish turned out to be really nice. The shrimp is very nicely cooked, and I like the velveting. It makes the shrimp nice smooth, and the inside of the shrimp is moist and tender. Well, needless to say, the ginger flavor goes really well with my wife. She enjoys this dish very much. Well, I guess that I'm going to cook with ginger more often from now on. As expected, the pairing between the zucchini and the ginger actually worked out reasonably well. The way how I cook it, the zucchini actually pick up quite a bit flavor from the ginger. The sauce actually worked really well with the shrimp. And I'm going to tell my friend Claudia about this. I think she is going to enjoy this combination. Personally, I'm not a great fan of pre-made sauces such as this kind of a sauce because they usually put in more sugar than I would like. However, for the sake of convenience, I could not argue in using this kind of a pre-made sauces. Anyway, this is the goal of my fast cooking system, that is to make home cooking as flexible as possible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.